opposition yangere ku karansa bone yoko gamba mangana yo bomo bwabo mwaro chembe karansa murigati gashawa nebi go talengo agatuma Cleophas Malala agashikuma represent lakini Matiang'i no alenge ase mukutano uyu iyo ndo basainete ngo chikoba baramo iyo ndo yakabere ngo chochara bali one presidential candidate lero ndete kerechinga kichi tobora ne bagusiga Matiang'i atabe atine flag beara na kiyakoba ko ya nande streets njukubuli abantu lakini first of all ndete ku opinion chana se video lakini ndara kora boigo onye nali tangane kora chi video chana mukwa times erechinga kicha ko subscribe na shege kure ni namba yane ga mwanga kiresimi mwansa emi mwanga obasami gana uchia nanya arukumanya ngingo kwana bila ku waste time tikanto zo video kero kindi na swete chi street ngabuli abantu Matiang'i atabe tinga nere flag beara ninki kirabe abandi batanga tayo tinuju wakakura tayo tinuju wakakura ngambuli asiki onde tayo rakole gazi na tura expect na bagusi nga understand one simple thing Matiang'i taliko chorwa asenge njaro mugusi wasaba gusi ndomu taiti ndomu support asenge njaro mugusi it's because amanyirenga na kolete sometimes back. That is why bagusi bago chama bate banga Matiang'i tosha ikina ngiko kwa bagusi obalemu kumuira se ballot nga nama enyire na kolete gas so kero mungu na tebetinga ta kumuira tebe anyi tayo tebe ta kwa kakura ya president I understood kero ko guchi options chiro ni ngoro ora kole gas puna Matiang'i kero na gojuka ne streets na nyota abantu bakantebyo onye Matiang'i agachorwa sawa atachoriri so long as baigwane olibako ba kuna united opposition nera bago support eine ansingia sana yako garaba Gusii ntoko gendali tumiti mitupa kwegatobe liberal minded egento kiamana pi obo mu Gusii egiakabere amagendro yo mu Gusii Matiang'i achabe kegwazi ate yabo Gusii naki nje Nairobi prime cabinet secretary kose Nairobi interior cabinet secretary kose Nairobi president was deputy president lakini mtoto chikonyora mna Gusii neke ekara uziba maina ki to benefit to be catered for kitoko ganda kurwanirira oburayo yanya lekana ngo Gusii na metesha ya kakoira interior Gusii gocha kose ndubwata magendro kite akokumburu gocha Gusiiga kero to from the national perspective Gusiiga atigwana nena ki Matiang'i abetabe se ballot there are two options bara opt kota supporting onde bensioro asengenje ya track record mbaro batebiro so long as baigwana there's no problem lakini mbaro batebetenga anya Matiang'i tayo eri Ruto yakagara abantu bosipi mbabwetu no Ruto ase work sub so e group inero nende koligere linga ntubwate Gusii abantu bale UDA babu Simbarati na bande there's a possibility nga na bako convince abantu baso ase serikali ya William Ruto that is very likely but even from the national perspective what is likely to happen according to me. There are people who believe that Matiang'i can be a real change because of first experience. Or kode said docket ICT, or better said docket education, Matiang'i better say interior. Matiang'i better almost a deputy president to Uhuru Kenyatta ke William Ruto Matiang'i. And in all these dockets, Matiang'i has having or making some impact. Our Kenyan bara feeling that if Matiang'i is not there, then we don't have the right leader at the ballot. And there's a likelihood they can opt also not to vote or vote for someone we don't expect or even decide to retain William Ruto. So we have such particular scenario. Number two, there's a group of youth who believe that they can be able to support Matiang'i if he's at the ballot because of his track record. But there are some who say, if Matiang'i is not at the ballot, then we don't have a candidate. Those are some of the things that are likely to happen in a scenario where Dr. King Fred Matiang'i is not at the ballot. Lastly, the other thing we expect is that William Ruto might be able to pick some votes from the Gusii region if Matiang'i is not at the ballot. One thing we need to agree is that William Ruto, where he had scored highly, it is by having Simbarati by his side. Simbarati is a very strong politician who knows how to maneuver political waves. So I am strongly convinced that if Matiang'i is not at the ballot, he will convince one or two people to vote for William Ruto. So William Ruto might be able to get numbers from the Gusii region in a scenario where Matiang'i is not at the ballot. Because right now, the most serious threat to William Ruto is that if Matiang'i runs, then the 1 million votes is gone. So that's why I feel through Simbarati and many other leaders like Snivazo Osoro, Japhet Nyakundi, plus some of them from Nyamira County, William Ruto might be able to get some votes. Now, wholesomely, I feel that if Matiang'i is not at the ballot, then in 2027 and beyond, if William Ruto wins, might not be able to get some serious developmental projects within the Gusii region. Because people will assume either way, if William Ruto does not get a huge number of votes from here, they might assume that they did not vote for us. And we've seen this thinking in this government, where someone just literally decides to sideline some part of the country because they did not vote for him in 2022. I don't know what is your take about it in the comment section. Please share with me, what do you think can happen on Matiang'i as a ballot? See you next time for more videos.